In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme in Webador. First, log into your Webador account and go to the My Sites section, where you will see a list of all your websites. From here, click on the Edit option next to the website whose theme you want to change. Once you are inside the website editor, click on the Design option located at the top of your screen. If your goal is only to change the colors of your existing theme, you will find several options on the left-hand side of the screen. The accent color controls elements such as titles, buttons, headings, and other highlighted parts of your website. You can click on the color picker and select a new color, and the change will be applied instantly. In the same way, you can also adjust the colors for the footer and the main content sections to better match your branding or design preference. If instead you want to change the entire theme, also known as the website template, scroll down in the same left-hand menu until you find the option to change template. Click on it, and you will see a variety of templates available. Browse through the options, find a template you like, and click on it to apply it to your website. After selecting a new template, you can further customize it by adjusting colors such as the accent color, content section color, and footer color from the left-hand side. Once you are satisfied with all your changes, click on the Save option at the bottom left corner of the screen. Keep in mind that changing the template will also update your text formatting and fonts according to the new theme, so you may want to review and adjust those settings afterward. And this is how you can change the theme in Webador.